Citroën C4 Picasso ground. If you hear a knocking noise, same like your anti-rule bar drop link has gone, and when you check that the anti-rule bar drop linkages are okay, then this is your problem. So this knocking occurs, this is the link, this one. This knocking occurs when you steering the vehicle at low speed. So then you will hear this knocking noise, particularly if you put the vehicle into reverse gear and then you turning the steering to the left or to the right, and then you hear a knocking noise, a light knocking noise. It's same like your anti-rule bar link has gone. So this is going to be this one. And so when you check that the anti-rule bar drop linkages are okay and the top mountain of the struts are okay, and the problem is this linkage, as you can see, this linkage, this is loose and it has play in the joint here, in the ball joint here, either in this side here or on that side there. It might have play here or there. So the play could be here at this ball joint or at this ball joint.